Welcome back, little explorers! Today, we're off on another adventure to discover some of the most fascinating animal homes on Earth. Grab your explorer hats and let's begin Animal Adventures, Cozy Homes Across Continents, Part 4. First stop, the beehive. Honeybees in Europe and Asia build waxy homes full of honey and buzzing friends. Next, in Africa, the amazing termite mounds, nature's skyscrapers built by tiny architects. Down in the American grasslands, burrowing owls make tunnels instead of nests in trees. In the rainforests of South America, leafcutter ants create underground gardens of fungus. Beneath the Pacific Ocean, coral polyps build massive reefs that shelter thousands of creatures. On the ocean floor near Australia, decorator crabs collect seaweed and shells to camouflage themselves. Deep in caves of Southeast Asia, swiftlets build small nests high on the walls. And at dusk, across many continents, bats rest upside down in tree hollows and caves, waiting for nightfall. Wasn't that incredible, explorers? From hives to reefs, nature's homes are everywhere. Don't forget to watch Animal Adventures Cozy Homes Across Continents Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3 to see even more amazing homes. And to see Part 5 and beyond, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Keep exploring, keep wondering, and keep loving our animal friends. Bye-bye!